What is GrooveFunnels? GrooveFunnels is a new all-in-one software platform that allows businesses to market, sell, and deliver their products and services online. The Groove apps are the different software applications and they can be accessed inside of GrooveFunnels. These apps allow businesses to create beautiful websites, landing pages, sales pages, and more. GrooveFunnels is the top brand for the company's new all-in-one software platform. The beauty of GrooveFunnels is that it provides everything a business needs to succeed online, all in one place. There's no need to piece together different software applications from different companies. GrooveFunnels has it all. If you're looking for a way to take your business to the next level, GrooveFunnels is the perfect solution. There's no doubt that GrooveFunnels is one of the best marketing platforms out there, which offers multiple features that enhance the business's bottom line. Now, let us disclose how you can get your hands on more customers by having free access to this exceptional tool. GrooveFunnels is one of the marketing tools that have brought many changes in the business world. In fact, it has scaled my own business. So, let's not just waste one more day thinking about which platform is better for your business and step ahead to hold tightly to the numerous opportunities GrooveFunnels provides to entrepreneurship. Get started with GrooveFunnels. Let's get started today with this exceptional marketing tool, which is 100% free. For how long? Not for a week or a month, but for your entire lifetime. Moreover, to ensure this factor, this tool doesn't even require your credit card to make an entry. You all must be wondering what you guys will get when registering to the platform, isn't it? Groove Pages. Groove Pages offers a suite of powerful marketing tools to help you grow your business online. Some of the key features include A/B testing, countdown timers, and integrations with popular platforms like Facebook and Google. They also have a large library of stock images that you can use for your projects. With Groove Pages, you can create high-converting landing pages, sales pages, and funnels that will help you grow your business. GrooveSell. GrooveSell is a powerful sales platform that is 100% free for life. With GrooveSell, you can create beautiful sales pages, funnels, and more to help you sell your products and services online. Plus, GrooveSell integrates seamlessly with GrooveFunnels, so you can use all of their amazing tools together to grow your business. Whether you're just getting started online or a seasoned pro, GrooveSell is the perfect sales solution. Groove Affiliate. Groove Affiliate is another amazing suite of tools from GrooveFunnels that allows you to manage your affiliate program, set commission rates, and access affiliate analytics. It's 100% free to use, again, with no credit card required. You can think of it as similar to JVZoo or ClickBank, and without any fees. This makes it a great way to run your affiliate program without worrying about extra costs. GrooveMail. GrooveMail is a tool from GrooveFunnels that allows you to send out broadcasts, create newsletters, and set up automation. You can use it to communicate with your customers and subscribers easily and effectively. With GrooveMail, you can stay in touch with your audience and keep them updated on your latest products and offers. GrooveMember. GrooveMember is a sweet tool from GrooveFunnels that allows you to create a password-protected members area for your program or online course. It includes a robust content management system and membership platform. Allowing members to access video modules or downloadable content. You can also create free or paid accounts and customize the membership experience to suit your needs. GrooveWebinars. GrooveWebinars is a suite of webinar tools from GrooveFunnels. There are tools there for both live and automated webinars. The tool hopes to create a superior webinar platform at a more reasonable cost. GrooveWebinars will allow users to host live webinars with up to 10,000 attendees. The platform will also have automated webinar capabilities, allowing users to host pre-recorded webinars that an unlimited number of people can attend. Groove Pages for Shopify. As part of the GrooveFunnels suite, Groove Pages for Shopify enables Groove Pages to be used for Shopify member websites, funnels, and order pages. The Shopify marketplace will host this app for $49 per month. While it was intended for standalone sales, the Platinum Lifetime package is where you'll find it right now. Groove Pages for Shopify is the perfect tool for those who want to take their Shopify business to the next level. With Groove Pages, you'll be able to create professional-looking websites, funnels, and order pages that will help you increase your conversion rates and boost your sales. If you're looking for a way to take your Shopify business to the next level, Groove Pages for Shopify is the perfect tool for you. Groove Desk. Groove Desk is a suite tool from GrooveFunnels that allows you to manage your customer support tickets all in one place. With Groove Desk, there's no need to find third-party software to submit support tickets. It can all be managed inside of Groove Desk. This makes it easy to keep track of all your customer support requests in one place and provides a streamlined experience for your customers. If you have a GrooveFunnels account, you already have access to Groove Desk. Just log into your account and click on the Groove Desk tab to get started. So guys, you're not using GrooveFunnels yet? Get started today and access many great tools by signing up for a free account. With a free account, you'll be able to use Groove Desk and more to manage up to 3 support tickets at a time. If you need to manage more than that, upgrading to a paid account will give you unlimited ticket management. So what are you waiting for? Get started with GrooveFunnels today and streamline your customer support process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button. Remember to click the link below this video to learn more about GrooveFunnels and how you can that for your business. We will be back with more informational videos for you guys. See you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.